Hello students, in previous video we discussed that the machine, the teacher of Margi was repaired by the county inspector and he patted the head of Margi and he went back to home. Let us continue it. Maggie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Maggie was thinking that county inspector would take away the machine and he will not repair it today. But he repaired at the same time within an hour, so she was disappointed. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly 1 month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Once the teacher of Tommy was not working properly, its history sector was completely blank. So county inspector took the machine of Tommy, the teacher of Tommy. Actually, the machine was teacher. So he took away the machine and they returned it after 1 month. So Margi was also thinking that my machine would also be repaired in a month, but it was repaired within an hour, so she was disappointed. She was feeling bad. She thought that I will have to study again. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Because Margi was not liking school. So she said to Tommy that why would anyone write about school? She was actually discussing about the book which Tommy had found printed on the paper. She was discussing about that book, that if in this book about school is written, then why should anyone like to write about school, because school is so boring. So Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes and says, because it is not our kind of school. He told her that it is not our kind of school which is very boring, but this is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Hundreds years ago there were schools which were very interesting, and it is written about those schools in this book. And he added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. He cleared it that centuries ago there were schools which were very interesting. Margi was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. She read the book which Tommy had found in his house in the attic. She read a little and said, at least there were teachers. So Tommy says, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. At that time, they had the machines to teach them. So they were thinking that regular teacher means machines. So Tommy said that it was not a regular teacher, means it was not a machine, but it was a man. So Margi was very surprised to know that a man, how could a man be a teacher? मैन कैसे टीच कर सकता है, बिकॉज ये फ्यूचर टाइम की स्टोरी हम बता रहे हैं आपको. फ्यूचर टाइम में मैन टीचर रहेगा नहीं, उस टाइम पे मशीन्स हो जाएंगी. तो ये उसके बारे में बात हो रही है कि जब मार्गी सुनती है कि अ मैन वाज अ टीचर, सो शी वाज वेरी सरप्राइज दैट हाउ अ मैन कैन बी अ टीचर. टॉमी सेड वेल, ही जस्ट टोल्ड द बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स थिंग्स and gave them homework and asked them questions. Tommy answered her question that there used to be man teachers and they used to teach the students and give homework. A man is not smart enough. When Margi listened to Tommy, then she was again very surprised. She says that a man is not smart enough. मैन कैन नॉट बी सो स्मार्ट. मैन इतना स्मार्ट नहीं हो सकता कि वो स्टूडेंट्स को टीच कर सके। सो टॉमी सेज श्योर ही इज़, मैन क्यों नहीं हो सकता, वो बिल्कुल हो सकता है, स्मार्ट हो सकता है। माई फादर नोज एज मच एज माई टीचर, बिकॉज माई टीचर इज ए मशीन एंड माई फादर नोज एज मच एज माई टीचर, ही नोज almost as much I betcha. Here betcha means bet. I can bet that my father knows as much as the machine. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Because Margie thought that if there were men to teach, they would have been living in the homes like the machine. जिस तरह से उसके घर में मशीन थी उसको टीच करने के लिए, उसको लगा कि अगर ह्यूमन आएगा कोई टीच करने तो वो भी इसी मशीन की तरह हमारे रूम में रहेगा। तो वो कहती है आई डोंट लाइक एनी मैन इन माई हाउस टू टीच मी। टॉमी स्क्रीम्ड विद लाफ्टर, टॉमी को हंसी आ जाती है इस बात पे और कहता है You don't know much, Margie. The teacher did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. In the past time, teacher used to live in a building and all students used to go. Like today's schools, you all go to school to study and teachers are present there in the schools and they teach you. So टॉमी कहता है कि उस समय के स्कूल में टीचर्स एक बिल्डिंग में रहा करते थे एंड दे यूज टू टीच चिल्ड्रेन हूएवर वेंट टू द स्कूल एंड ऑल द किड्स लर्न द सेम थिंग। तो मार्गी पूछती है क्या सारे स्टूडेंट्स एक ही तरह की चीज़ें सीखते थे? श्योर इफ़ दे वर द सेम एज। तो टॉमी रिप्लाइड दैट श्योर if they were of the same age, they used to learn the same thing. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Margie says that my mother says that teacher has to be adjusted according to the student's level. जैसा स्टूडेंट का लेवल होता है वैसा टीचर को एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि वो मशीन को एडजस्ट करती थी उनकी मदर, तो उसको लगता है कि शायद उस टीचर को भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ता हो हर एक स्टूडेंट के लेवल के हिसाब से। और डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स स्टडी डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ बुक्स, सो उनको भी एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा। जस्ट द सेम दे डिड नॉट डू। टॉमी बोलता है कि बस यही काम नहीं होता था, उनको एडजस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती थी। दैट वे देन, उस टाइम पे ऐसा नहीं किया जाता था। इफ़ दे डोंट लाइक इट यू डोंट हैव टू रीड द बुक। इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक इट, इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक दिस बुक, जिस बुक को वो लिया था द बुक ऑफ ओल्डन डेज, सो वो कहता है कि इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक दिस बुक देन you don't have this book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie said quickly that मैंने तो ऐसा नहीं बोला कि मुझे ये बुक अच्छी नहीं लग रही है। She wanted to read about those funny schools. वो स्कूल्स उसको फ़नी लग रहे थे, जिस स्कूल के बारे में उस बुक में डिस्कशन किया गया था कि स्टूडेंट्स जाते थे और टीचर एक बिल्डिंग में उनको पढ़ाया करते थे। तो इस तरह के स्कूल के बारे में सुन के उसको बहुत ही फ़नी लग रहा था। तो वो कहती है कि मैं इस फ़नी स्कूल के बारे में कुछ और भी जानना चाहती हूँ। दे वर नॉट इवन हाफ फिनिश्ड व्हेन मार्गीज मदर कॉल्ड मार्गी स्कूल। देयर डिस्कशन वॉज नॉट ओवर, दे हैड नॉट फिनिश्ड द बुक कम्प्लीटली। जस्ट देन the mother of Margie called, Margie, there is your school time. Margie looked up, not yet mama, not yet, अभी नहीं, बाद में हम स्टडी कर लेंगे, ऐसा बोलती है मार्गी। Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it is probably time for Tommy too. Perhaps it is the time for Tommy too for study. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So after my class, I would like to read the book again. Can I read? So Tommy said, maybe, and he walked away whistling. Whistling means सीटी बजाते हुए. He walked away. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arms. He kept the book under his arms and he went away. Margie went into the classroom. It was right next to her bedroom. The school of Margie was beside her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Because that time teacher was the machine, so machine was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Other than Saturday and Sunday, it was looking same, because only the screen was changing, the text matter, pictures were changing, but overall the part of machine was same. Here in this picture you can see how was the school of Margie. She is studying in the computer and with wearing headphone, and many other gadgets are also present there in her room. Because her mother said little girl learned better if they learned at regular hours. Mother of Margie used to say that if you study at regular hour, then you study well. So this is the time of school. You come and study. Later on you can discuss or read other book. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in proper slot. As Margie sat on her chair, the screen lit up. स्क्रीन ऑटोमेटिक ऑन हो जाती है, लिटअप करने लगती है, एंड इट सेड, और उस मशीन से आवाज़ आती है, टुडेज अरिथमेटिक लेसन इज ऑन द एडिशन ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. एज टीचर सेज इन द क्लास दैट टुडे वी विल स्टडी दिस सब्जेक्ट और दिस टॉपिक, लाइक दैट द मशीन आल्सो सेज दैट टुडे वी विल स्टडी अरिथमेटिक लेसन ऑन arithmetic lesson and it is on the addition of proper fraction, right? But before starting the lesson, the machine says that first you insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Margie did so with a sigh. Margie had completed her homework and she inserted the homework in the slot. She was thinking about the old school they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came. She was thinking about the school which she read in the book of Tommy, which he had found in the attic. Laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, she was thinking that in olden days, children used to go there in the school together. They used to sit together. They used to laugh and shout, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. After school, they go to their homes together. They learned the same thing, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. उसको लगता है कि इस तरह से लोग जाया करते थे, पढ़ाई किया करते थे, और वो सभी कोई एक साथ जाते थे और एक ही तरह की चीज़ें पढ़ते थे, तो एक दूसरे की हेल्प भी कर देते रहे होंगे होमवर्क करने में, तो वो बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूल रहा होगा, ऐसा मार्गी को लगता है। एंड द टीचर वर पीपल, और टीचर ये मशीन की तरह नहीं थे, दे वर पीपल, वो ह्यूमन बीइंग थे। द मैकेनिकल टीचर वॉज फ्लैशिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन व्हेन वी ऐड फ्रैक्शन हाफ एंड 1/4। तो इस तरह की आवाज़ उसमें से आ रही थी, मशीन बोल रही थी, वो एक्सप्लेन कर रहा था कि हम किस तरह से एडिशन करते हैं प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का। सो दिस साउंड वाज कमिंग फ्रॉम द मशीन, बट एक्चुअली मार्गी वाज नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन ऑन द मशीन, बट शी वाज थिंकिंग अबाउट द ओल्डर स्कूल्स about which she had studied in the book. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. मार्गी उस फन के बारे में सोच रही थी जिस तरह से ओल्डन डेज में लोग स्कूल जाया करते थे और वहाँ स्टडी किया करते थे। सो दिस स्टोरी इज़ एंडेड हेयर। ये फ्यूचर स्कूल के बारे में इस तरह से बताया है कि इस तरह से लोग फ्यूचर में स्टडी करेंगे। देयर विल नॉट बी टीचर्स इन ह्यूमन फॉर्म, देयर विल बी मशीन्स फॉर एवरीथिंग। मशीन विल टीच अस, मशीन विल चेक आवर होमवर्क, वॉट एवर वी विल डू, एवरीथिंग विल बी असेस्ड बाय द मशीन्स, एंड वी विल मिस दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लास very much as we are missing today. You may feel this kind of situation because at this time you are at your homes, you are unable to come to school because of the pandemic, and you may feel how interesting the schools are, and I hope whenever you will come back to schools you will utilize it fully. Thank you.